Some stories have been passed down so many times their true origins are long forgotten. For this installment of our series, we go to the legendary author of The Turn of the Screw and the master of the muck, Mr. W. Jacobs. It all begins on a stormy night in the quiet English countryside, inside a small home. Mr. White, his wife, and their grown son, Herbert, are relaxing by the fire. They receive a visit from an old friend, Sergeant Major Maurice, who has just returned from years of service in India. With him, he brings a strange object, a dried, shriveled monkey's paw. He tells them it's no ordinary souvenir. The paw has been cursed by a fakir, a holy man, to prove that fate rules people as lives, and those who try to change it will suffer. The paw grants its owner 3 wishes, but with every wish comes a terrible consequence. Despite Morris's warning, Mr. White takes the paw. Later that evening, half joking, he makes his first wish. I wish for £200 to pay off our house. The next day, tragedy strikes. Herbert is killed in a machinery accident at work. Soon after, a company representative visits the family and offers them £200 in compensation. Their wish was granted, but at a horrible cost. Heartbroken, Mrs. White becomes obsessed with the idea of bringing her son back. She begs her husband to use the second wish. Wish him back to life, she pleads. Though terrified, Mr. White lifts the monkey's paw and makes the second wish. I wish for my son to return. That night, they hear a knock at the door. A slow, heavy, deliberate knock. Mrs. White rushes to open it, convinced Herbert has returned. But Mr. White is filled with dread. What if Herbert has come back? Not as he was, but in the state he was in after the accident. As his wife fumbles with the doorbolt, he desperately grabs the paw and makes a final, third wish. Suddenly, the knocking stops. Mrs. White opens the door, and no one is there. Only silence, only darkness. Be careful what you wish for. Some gifts are better left unopened, and sometimes destiny should not be challenged.